Leo tuigire iharo-ini kuria kocha munene wa timu ya bũrũri ya gonya ya athaki mũgwanja o mwena Kelvin Wambua ni arikitie kumba timu iria ikarirũkia bendera ya Kenya mbĩtĩka-inĩ cia thĩ ng'ima cia division ya kerĩ nicio HSBC Sevens iria ithagathakirwo weekend ino gũkũ Nairobi. Wambua ni ahete David Nyangige kanya ka mbere guthakira timu ya bũrũri thutha wa kumukuruhania timu-inĩ no iria yanĩrĩirwo ũmũthĩ kuria amwe athaki aria mena umenyo marikitie gukuruhanio timu-inĩ ino ya athaki 12 ni Captain George Oro, Samuel Sati, Dennis Abukuse, Vincent Onyala, Kevin Wekesa, Patrick Odongo, Festus Shiasi na Nigel Amitsa. Mwena-inĩ wa airetu coach munene Simon Odongo onake ni obete timu ya athaki 12 matongoretio ni Captain Sheila Shanjira uria ugateithĩrĩrio ni Fresia Oduor.
I think on our part, what's left is just to make sure that we lift the flag of our country high.
We had a high performance camp in South Africa for a week last month. And our key objective was just to set a base and see where we are in terms of our attack and defense frameworks. So we ticked a few boxes there, but also it was an eye-opener for us. We learned a few things we've been cooperating for the last 3.5 weeks.
We want to thank Kenya Power Foundation for coming on board to help with the development of rugby and most importantly to M-Pesa and SportPesa for walking the journey with our teams and enabling us get to where we are here, HSBC Division 2.